Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will activate Profit Center accounting in controlling area. So activating Profit Center accounting will switch on some additional checks which ensure a consistent derivation of the Profit Center during the postings. So let's activate here. Go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Go to financial accounting, then go to general ledger accounting, then master data, then click on profit center here, and here you need to click on activate profit center accounting in controlling area. Just click here on execute as sign, and the next you have to search for your company controlling area. Mine is 7075. Press enter. On top you can see it's not activated yet, so simply check this box and press save. Now you can see here the profit center accounting is activated for this controlling area 7075. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.